On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create amazing pictures like these ones. Do you like them? Then keep on watching this YouTube video. Hey beautiful Tovians, welcome back. It's your girl Tovia Ogun, back again with another exciting video. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're yet to subscribe, please go right now, give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment telling me what you like about this YouTube video. My today's shout out goes to the above people. Hey beautiful Tovians, thank you for your support. Thank you for being here always. I love you guys. Please go support them back. Please go subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you all. If you'd like to get shout out to people, all you need to do is to be one of the first 5 people to comment with the hashtag Tovians, and then you get shout from me on my next YouTube video. So guys, I'm going to show you all how to place text behind your images like what you're seeing right now. If you've noticed my YouTube thumbnails, I do this a lot. I do put the text behind my photo most times. Sometimes I put images or logos, and I've seen a lot of people really liking it, so that's why I decided to show you guys. I actually create all of this amazingness. So if you want to know, then keep on watching this YouTube video. So I'm just going to screen record my phone right now to show you guys how you can actually do that. So guys, we are going to start by resizing our image to YouTube thumbnail size. So if your own photo is already resized, like you already have the YouTube thumbnail size, then you're good to go. But if you don't yet have it, what you're going to do for me is to go resize it. You can use any app you normally use to do this, but the app I normally use is PicsArt, so that's what I'm going to do. So just open PicsArt. If you don't yet have it, you can go install all of this app from your app store. So just click on PicsArt. Again, if you already done this, you don't have to worry. So just click on the purple plus sign, then pick that photo you want to resize. Mine is this one here. So this is my photo. Now click on tools, click on the crop icon, just scroll to the front to find YouTube, and here we go. So now you can resize the photo whichever way you want it to be. So I think I actually like mine like this. Now I'm just going to click on apply, and then I'm just going to click on next and save the photo, download photo. So that's us done with the size. Now let's move to the next thing. So the app we're going to be using to do all of this magic is the Snapseed app. You can actually download this app from your app store. I don't really know if this app is on Google Play Store. I don't know, but I'm gonna check. If it is, I'm just gonna leave a test on the screen telling you guys yes, you can also download it from Google Play Store. So just open the Snapseed app and welcome. Now you want to tap on this huge plus icon. So go pick that photo we just made. So here we are. Over here we are in the looks tab. Just look down, it says looks. So this is where you get to choose the color of your photo. So there's a lot for you to choose from. Now you can choose whichever one that you actually want. So for me, I think I'm just gonna go with this one that says pop. I actually like it. I like the way it makes the photo really bright, so I'm just gonna go with pop. So once you're done with the one that says pop, just click on the good icon. So this is our photo with the pop. If you didn't do anything with yours, then you're fine to go. So the next thing we are going to do is to add text to our image, and to do that you want to just click on the tools icon, look for the part that says text. So you can double tap on it and then just delete all of this and put your text. So I'm just going to write that happiness and click on OK if you think it's good. So what you want to do is to resize your text, or if you don't want to resize it, you can just leave it. But for me, I'm going to resize mine. And to do that, just tap on the text with your 2 hands and then resize it to however you want. You can move it up, you can move it down. I think I kind of like it this way. So if you actually like yours this way, another thing you can do is to change the font of the text. And to do that, you want to just click on this icon. So the last icon over there, and then you can pick different fonts that you actually like. There's a lot for you to choose from. A lot, guys. Different ones. I know. Oh my god, imagine using this one. Oh, this one actually makes so much sense. Okay, this one is cool. This one is nice. Okay, there's a lot for you to choose from, okay? But I'm just going to go with the second one with the L2. The reason is I just love the way it's really bold. You know my thumbnails, I love bold fonts. That's just one thing about me. So if you're choosing your font, the next thing you want to do is to click on the color icon, which is the first icon down there, and then you can get to pick whichever color that you actually want. Yeah, there's a lot for you to choose from. These ones are so cool. I mean, you just go through it and then pick wherever you want. This one looks good, not that bad. Orange. Oh, look at this yellow. Oh my days. It actually tells a lot. You can even go with black, whatever you want. For me, I'm just going to go with a white color because I think it really matched with my photo. And I just love the way it looked with the photo. But you can pick whatever you want. So once you're done choosing your color, the next thing you want to do is to click on the color icon to exit it. So now we are going to start the real day, okay? So, and to do that, we want to change the opacity of our text, so we can be able to see through the image, because you don't want to just be cleaning, stuff and you don't know what you're doing. So to do that, you want to just click on the middle icon, which is the opacity icon. Now you want to reduce it to something you could see. So just find wherever it fits you. For me, I think I'm really good over here. I can see the image like this. So you pick whatever is best for you. So once you're done, just click on the icon, which is the good icon. Now, not a lot of you might be like, Tovia, we are still seeing the test. So what we're going to do next? So what you're going to do next is to click on this back icon. And then you're going to click on view edits. So this is the time we're going to start our work. Basically, that view edits means you're going to see all of the work that you've been doing on your image since. So this is what that view edits mean. Now, what you're going to do is to click on the test icon. So over here, you can see 3 different signs. The first sign is to delete. The second one is the brush. And the last one is the settings. So what we're going to do now is to tap on the brush icon. You're like, oh my god, Tovia, my test is gone. What happened? So we're going to bring it back. That will normally happen. So to bring it back, just click on this first icon. And yeah, we'll go, it's back. So this is the time for us to start the main work. What you want to do is to tap on your image with your 2 fingers and just zoom in. Zoom in so well for you to be seeing the test. This very part that we want to start cleaning and erasing. So you want to just zoom in. So once you are where zoom in, you want to start erasing the test. You can see I can actually see through my test because I actually take down the opacity earlier. So that is how you do that. Now you want to start clearing the test away from your image. You see those parts? Just keep doing it. Keep doing it. So guys, I'm just gonna keep doing this. Now let's say you actually made a mistake. For example, I want to clean this part which I don't want to clean. What you want to do is to tap on this arrow icon, the arrow that is going up, and just take the text to 100. So once you've done that, you want to go back to that place that you've made the mistake and just bring it back. You see, there we go. Now once you're done, you want to take that text back to 0, and to do that, just click on the arrow looking down and take that back to 0. So just keep erasing this text. So right now I'm just going to fasten up this erasing and then I'll come back to you guys. So let me get to work. In case if you are like making mistakes or the thing is not coming out perfect, it's normal. With time you get it. Just keep doing your work. If you made mistake, go back again, take it off, and you will eventually get perfect with it. Okay, so I'm just gonna do mine and then I'll be right back. Do 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 do. So guys, now that I'm done with the photo, I'm just gonna zoom out so you can have a look and see that everything is erased. but the opacity is still not there yet. We need to bring back our opacity, but if you like yours like this, you can go with this. I know a lot of people can go with this, but I actually want my text to be really bold. And to do that, you want to just click on the good icon. After that, you want to just click on the text. You want to click on the settings icon. Now you see our text is all back again from where we started. So what we're going to do is to click on the opacity icon and then just bring this back on. I know you're like, Tovia, why is the text still showing on the image? Don't worry, just click on the good icon. Once you click on that, it's gonna be gone. Okay, so you see that? Here we go. Our text is perfectly good, just like we wanted it to be. And looking at the right side, you can still see all of the things that we've been using to edit. Please do not touch any of this. What you want to do is to just click on the back icon. Now, before I save this, if you want to see how your picture look in the before and after, what you want to do is to just tap on the image. Now, you see the photo before I started, the color, no text, everything looking so dull. Now, see the final work. It's bright, it's beautiful. I know you love it and I do too. So yeah, anyways, let's just export our image. And to do that, you want to just click on the export icon. And then there are different ways you can actually export this. You can choose to save it with changes that you can undo later, while iOS will like give you the permission to do that. Or you can save a copy, one on the Snapseed and another one on your phone. Or you can choose to just export it direct with permanent changes, which is what I'm going to be doing right now. So let me just do that for you guys. But if you feel you want to make changes to yours, you can choose any of those two save options. For me, I'm just going to click on export. Yeah, we've exported it successfully. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video, and leave me a comment telling me what you like about this YouTube video. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you for stopping by. I love you and bye.